100 words per minute dictation. Last 5 seconds. Ready? Start. I am happy to participate in today's function and lay the foundation stone for the office of the National Productivity Council of India. Since independence, we have made impressive progress in the generating productivity consciousness in various sectors of nation's economy. The productivity movement is gaining momentum now and seeing the record of NPC's work, I may say that I am greatly impressed by the positive transformation which this public service organization has been able to bring about in the outlook of management and labor as well as of the public in the general by popularizing the techniques of productivity through innumerable training programs, seminars, symposia, and other propagational measures. The NPC has made a valuable contribution to the creation of productivity consciousness among all those who are actively connected with industry. Today, there is a growing demand for NPC's application training programs as well as its result oriented consultancy services in the field of techno managerial areas, not only within the country but in the developing countries of the Afro Asian region as well. There is no doubt that whether in large scale or small scale economic operations, productivity plays an essential role in the efficient utilization of the resources. With the growing advance of science and technology, we have to endeavor constantly to adopt the most efficient methods of production which make the best use of the available resources and achieve production at an economic cost. This, in fact, is the basic philosophy of productivity which needs to be stressed continuously. The use of the scarce resources to the utmost advantage is important for the nation as a whole, and I am glad that this trend is being strengthened in our growing economy. In the 25th years that have elapsed after independence, we as a nation have faced great stresses and strains without losing sight of our major objective and of providing productive employment for all the people in the working age group, raising the standard of living of the masses and designing for them a socialistic pattern of society. While the government is fully aware of its responsibilities and is taking necessary steps towards the achievement of this objective, every citizen of the country must also contribute his might in the fulfillment of this task in the shortest possible time. What we need is inculcation of proper attitudes to work hard to achieve better result. Stop.